Can't find a file in Google Drive? Google Drive includes powerful search tools that help you quickly locate documents, photos, videos, PDFs, and other files. In this guide, I'll show you how to search files in Google Drive step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, you'll have access to all of your stored files and folders. Next, click the search bar at the top of the page and type the name of the file or a related keyword. Google Drive will begin showing matching results as you type. You don't always need to remember the exact file name to find what you're looking for. If you have many files, use the search filters to narrow the results. You can filter by file type, owner, location, modification date, or other available options. These filters make it much easier to find specific files. Once you've found the file, click it to open it. From there, you can view, edit, move, rename, or share the file just like any other item in your Google Drive. When you're finished, clear the search bar to return to your complete file list, or enter a different search term to find another file. Combining keywords with filters is the fastest way to locate files in a large Google Drive, and that's how to search files in Google Drive. Using the search bar together with filters helps you quickly find exactly what you need, even if your drive contains thousands of files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.